Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make pumpkin pie fully from scratch. If you have any leftover pumpkins, you can always make this recipe. Right here I have a pretty big pumpkin. I'm not sure what size it is, I just got it from a pumpkin patch. I needed my mom's help to help me cut the pumpkin into quarters. After you've cut your pumpkin into quarters, you can scrape out the guts. You can always save the seeds for roasting. Right here I put all my pumpkin on a pan. I'm just going to brush it with a little bit of oil. I added way too much. Now you're going to place this in a 400-degree oven for around 40 to 50 minutes. It depends on what size your pumpkin is. Right here I made a simple pie crust while the pumpkin was in the oven. It's just 2 cups of flour, half a cup of butter, and 2 tablespoons of water, and I popped that into the fridge. If you can poke a fork through the pumpkin, then it's good. When you take it out of the oven, the easiest way to peel off the skin is doing it while it's hot. When it cools down, it tends to stick to it. When the pumpkin cooled down a bit, I placed it in a food processor so I could mush it into a really fine puree. When you puree your pumpkin, it might be a little bit watery, so you can put it over a cheesecloth or a strainer. I use both just to get all the water out. You don't have to do anything, you can just let it sit right here for a couple minutes until some of the juice fell out. You don't want it too dry. I placed my pumpkin puree into a bowl and I added 3 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. I'm using the Food Wishes pumpkin pie recipe, but I'm adding a little twist to it. After I added in the eggs, I added in a whole can of condensed milk. This is just half a can, but I added the other half off camera. Now for the spices. I used 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of ginger, and a pinch of nutmeg. Now just give everything a good mix. My batter was not smooth because the pumpkin puree wasn't smooth enough, so I added the whole thing to the blender and I put it into my pan. I forgot to record this part, but I put the dough into the pan and I just poured the batter in, and I baked it at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. Make sure the pie is cooled down completely before you slice into it or it'll make a giant mess. I actually had the perfect slice until I dropped it onto the pie, so I cut another one for presentation, and I did a giant dollop of whipped cream. And there you guys have it, pumpkin pie from scratch.